Hi everyone, welcome back on here. Today we'll be making together Efo Riro using spinach. Thank you for clicking on this video and I trust you're all doing well and fine. Sit back, relax and watch me cook. For the protein, I'll be using smoked turkey, shaki pomo, that's cow tripe and cow skin. I added chopped onions to it. I'll be adding garlic powder, ginger powder and also all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll add water, cover and I'll allow it cook. Then we'll go to the spinach I'll be using. Here it is. I'll be using fresh spinach. I'm not going to be blanching this because spinach wilts very quickly. But if you're using shoko, which is traditionally used for Efo Riro, make sure you blanch to reduce the smell of it. Where I live, I can't find shoko, that's why I'm using spinach, and this also goes well. So I'll just wash properly off the camera and then you see it again when I'll be adding it to the pot. So for the peppers, I'll be using tomatoes, paprika, 1 onion and also scotch bonnet pepper, atarodo. The paprika is deseeded. If you're in Nigeria, use tatashe. That is what is used traditionally. We don't have tatashe here, so that's why I'm using paprika. I'll just blend off the camera and also boil to reduce the water. So we are back to the protein now. I checked and it was like 90% cooked already. So I'm just going to take this off the gas and bring in the pot that we'll use to do the final cooking. I actually forgot to add stockfish at this point, so I'll show you where I'll be adding the stockfish later. If you are using stockfish, please add your stockfish as well there. Now I have my pot back on, and then first goes in our palm oil. Because of the weather, the palm oil solidified, but it's no problem, melted and ready for us to start cooking. I just added the last batch of the chopped onions, fry for about 2 minutes, and then we add in our blended and boiled pepper. I'm going to allow this fry for about 20 minutes. At this point, I now remembered the stockfish. So I just remembered I didn't add the stockfish at this point. I'm adding it now into the pot and it's going to cook alongside as the stew is frying. So we'll just cover and come back after 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that the oil is floating, the peppers is well fried. Time to add other ingredients. Our iru goes in. I just added washed iru, that is locust beans. Now my smoked panla, washed and deboned, crayfish, salt. I would mix and then add in stock water to loosen it up. We're going to cover and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Back to it. Now I'm adding dry bitter leaf. Because I use tomatoes, I like to use bitter leaf just a little to help me break down the sweetness of the soup. So you can use dry bitter leaf or fresh bitter leaf. And now I'm adding all of the cooked protein into the sauce. After I add it up, I'm going to cover and allow it cook for another 5 minutes so that everything can be well mixed. Now we'll cover and allow it to cook. Cover to cook now. I came back to it thereafter. I still have to test and then the test was okay. Time to add our washed spinach. So this is the time you'll be adding your blanched shoko if you use shoko. I'll just cover and allow the spinach to wilt just for a minute. We are back to it. You can see the spinach wilted so well. So I'll just mix and then our Efo Riro is ready. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments and follow me if you aren't already. Thank you and bye bye.